The evolution of today's real estate market, okay? You get the benefit of knowing that I've been in the industry for over 40 years. That's right. This year I celebrated my 40th year in May of this year. I started in 1982. When I was in real estate in 1982, interest rates were approaching 18%. They were 15, 16, 17, and yes, some instances 18%. However, real estate prices were probably one third to possibly even one quarter of what they are today. Okay, so it's reversed itself. Real estate values have gone up 3, 4 times of what they were back then, and interest rates dropped down from the 18 down to where they're at today. They're still at probably close to 13% or 30%, I'm sorry, or a little bit more than they were back then. And the prices of the homes have risen maybe 3, 4 times of what they were before. Somebody brought to my attention that history repeats itself. I don't necessarily agree because we're in an evolving world, we're an evolving society that actually real estate services, the cost of real estate services has dropped since I started in real estate. We're probably about 60% of what the fees and the costs were back then. And things have gotten much more streamlined. However, there are more costs involved for you as the buyer when selling your home, even the seller, because there's title insurance, there's home inspections, there's various types of home inspections, there's radon inspections, there's lead-based paint inspections if you need that. If you have to get something mitigated, that means fixed and repaired, there are possible costs there. It's all interrelated. Before there weren't there, before it was buyer beware. You had to be aware of what you're buying, and if you bought a lemon, you were stuck making, if you're lucky, making lemonade. You just may have had a sour taste in your mouth. Today, it's not like that. The government has stepped up and has protected you as a buyer, even as a seller. And you have certain rights that are that'll protect you. They're not going to step in and find a lemon. You have the right to inspect, you have the right to question and ask, and you have the right to walk away if it's not the right opportunity for you. It all starts with involving yourself with a professional real estate broker, a realtor. I am a realtor. I am also a real estate broker, but being a realtor means that I subscribe to a code of ethics that are held on a national basis. I'm part of the Main Street Organization of Realtors serving the Western DuPage or all of DuPage County. I'm also a member of the Illinois Association of Realtors and the National Association of Realtors, which provides safeguards to you as the consumer that we are working and doing our best ethically and to look out for your interests and make sure that you get the best opportunity for what you're looking for. If you're a buyer or a seller, we're here on your behalf to represent you and to do the best job we can. I hope that's answered some of your questions, but if not, you feel free to call me at any time. I'll be glad to sit down, give you a consultation. That's free, half hour, hour long, whatever it takes to answer your questions in today's world. Don't hesitate. The only question that's not worth asking is the one that you won't let out of your brain, okay? And that's not good. Always ask everything and get the answers for yourself before you know how to move forward with confidence. I look forward to talking to you next time. Have a great day. Thanks again for listening.